Hey YouTube, Jay Kilroy here with a quick video on how to save some do-re-mi. What we're going to talk about here is saving money. Everything costs money, and everybody wants to spend less of it, get more for the dollar. Here's your dollar. Now, a dollar won't buy much of this. Let's talk about wiring machines. I'm lucky enough to have a three-phase shop, but most everybody has some form of three-phase, serious hobbyists, whatever, either through a rotary phase converter, static phase converter, or a phase perfect type device. This is a standard 30 amp NEMA plug, twist lock style plug. See these a lot. This one's designed here to go into a wall box. It's a Leviton part, and this is a matching twist lock plug. This is typical of the type of plug you would use on a machine similar to like a Bridgeport or a larger drill press, or you might be able to go down to a 20 amp plug. Most people at home don't have 480 service, so this isn't rated to 480 anyway. So lathe, a normal home size lathe, all these types of plugs, this type of plug would be appropriate. And you know what? This is freaking $25, right? And this is dang close to the same amount of money. You're looking at $50 worth of electrical wiring right there. So the old George Washington isn't going to do you very much. And I'm going to show you how to save some serious do-re-mi here. Let me see, $50 or $8. This is a 4-wire outlet for a dryer, rated to 50 amps, not 30 amps. Look at the lugs on this thing, right? Look at the ease of wiring. Look at the big screws on there. Look at the holes, the wires. This is a well-made device. This is $8.49 from the same store where this is $25. Go away, go away. $8. And okay, you got to have a plug to go with it. You're saying, where's the catch? Where is the catch? There's no catch. Here's the plug. Here's the shell. Here's all of the mighty big fat contacts that go in this thing. And you guys may know this, but I'm just trying to kind of spread the word. I don't know if you can read that. It says Leviton. Same brand as this. Now let's be honest. Look at this. Tell me. What do you think's going to conduct more current? Let's just kind of look at it. What do you think's going to conduct more current? That little prong there? Or 4 of these bad boys? What do you think's going to give you a better connection? Huh? I can tell you right now, this, and twist lock or not, when you assemble this plug with all 4 of these, and look at this, look how easy this is, right? Look how easy this is. Slip away, right? And then there's not much to this, right? This is very easy stuff, right? When these go in, I've used these with several machines. I use these on my welder. I use this on my plasma cutter. And I'm going to start using these on pretty much everything. This plug right here is actually convertible. Again, it's a Leviton part. It's convertible for a 50 amp or a 30 amp configuration. This is a 50 amp socket, a Leviton socket, and this is a convertible 30 or 50 amp plug. Again, $8-something. So let me see, $16 for all of that, right? Or close to $50 for that. Now, I don't know if this advice holds true for commercial location. Commercial location, like a business, you might have to use these. I think out in California they use the one with that make or break plug out in the middle too. Just feel sorry for you guys. That's like 5 contacts. You gotta like buy SO cord special, like they don't have it down at the local shop. But if you have a home shop, let me see, $50, $16. Now this thing right here, this is a 30 amp version of the same plug. Now these are both 4 conductors. Notice the difference, okay? Same number of connectors, 4 connectors, 4 connectors, 3 big vertical, just straight spades here, 2 straight blades, and a 90-degree blade here. This is the 30 amp version. This is like 40 cents less. Otherwise, other than that, doesn't look a lot different, does it? And what can you do with 30 amps on a 30 amps on a 240 socket? Well, I mean, let's do the math here. That's 6,300 watts. Divide that conservatively by 760 watts per horsepower. This is not counting starting load. You can support, you know, over close to, you could easily support 7.5 horsepower with this 30 amp plug right here. That's pretty good. That's also you know, very reasonable. This 50 amp plug here, this is good. So I run a 240 amp MIG through one of these with absolutely no problem. I run a, I did run, I need some help with it, but my Hypertherm PowerMax 1000 through one of these, no problem whatsoever. Again, $8 a component here, $8 a component, or $20-something a component. No thank you. So there we go, a short little video on how to save money in the shop. And we're going to try to do some more of these, because saving money is something everybody needs to do. So again, these are name brand Leviton components available at any of your big box stores. And a lot of you guys may know this, but for the one guy that doesn't, brother, take heart. You don't have to buy these things right here, right? This will do just fine. If you look around in the same store, they have a faceplate. They have a plate that goes on a 4x4 box that has a hole for this size right here. And I think there's a couple of other, like if you go over in the section where they have the receptacles and that kind of thing, where these are, they'll also have some double gang box plates that are already done for this. But, you know, big deal, you're a machinist, you can make your own faceplate if you want to, right? Again, huge money saver. I recommend it strongly. These are good, durable, heavy-duty parts available from any of your big box stores, and way to save some significant money. They also make, they also make a female version of these, so you can make an extension cord. Actually, I think I have one over here. Let me get the camera off this thing. Let's walk on over here. Okay. Here you go. I had the plasma cutter out. So this is the 50 amp plug, and this is a 50 amp socket on a big piece of 8 gauge 4 conductor SO cord. This is for my plasma cutter, which is currently broken. Any of you guys out there have any PowerMax tips? There's my PowerMax 1000 G3. Powers up, shows no faults, has all new consumables, has a brand new filter, air filter, air's flowing, solenoids moving, and no sparkies. So any of you PowerMax Hypertherm people, feel free to chime in with suggestions. Again, let's save some money. And this is what social networking should be about, right? Helping each other out. And this is a good way to do it. dryer outlets, not twist lock outlets. If somebody can come up with a real good reason, like quadruple the price reason why this is somehow better, let me know. Again, I mean, code may not allow it in certain locations, may not allow you to use these, but I'm certainly going to use them as long as I can. Anyway, have a good one. Talk to you soon.